Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss the topic 15.5 Introduction to Parallel Computer. When a computer was invented, they were designed with one processor which was able to do one job at a time. If you want to execute multiple jobs, then serial fashion is used one by one. But at the advent of technology, not only computers individual processor become more efficient and fast, but also computers also started coming with multiple processor एक से ज़्यादा processor which were able to execute multiple process at same time. This is the concept of parallel processing. In parallel computing systems, the problem is broken into discrete but independent parts that can run at same time without depending upon other. The main problem is broken into different parts, but all the parts are independent. Each part has its own instruction that can be executed independently. The main problem is divided into subparts, and subparts are independently they can execute itself. Instruction from each part execute at same time on different processor. There are the more than one processor, so the divided part are executed at same time on different processor. A parallel computing may be achieved through computer resources made available. A single computer with multiple cores or an arbitrary number of such computers connected by a network. A single computer with multiple processor or cores. Or second is the arbitrary number of computer connected in the network. In a network, there are the number of programs, number of code is executed at same time on different number of system. The main advantage of parallel processing, it save time and the cost. Second, it make it easier to solve large problem or complex problem. Many problems are so large and complex that is impractically or impossible to solve them on a single computer, especially given limited computer memory. For example, searching the web or mining big database or analyze big database. Third is it provide efficient use of underlying hardware, or it can use or utilize the resources available remotely. Remotely मतलब in a network. We can use the resources from remote or in a network. Next and last topic is the cloud computing. Cloud computing is the most popular concept today. In cloud computing, refer to the storing or access data and program over internet instead of your computer hard drive. The cloud is just a metaphor for the internet. To store and access program over a cloud, you need to access a cloud. There are the two type of clouds. First is the publicly, second is the private. Public cloud. The public cloud refer to the common cloud service made available to multiple subscribers. The cloud resources like server or storage are owned and operated by a third party cloud service provider and deliver over the internet. In public cloud, you can share the same hardware, storage, network network devices with other organizations that use the same cloud called the cloud tenants. Most important point, you can share the same resources like server, storage, and other resources operated by the third party cloud service provider with the same storage and network devices with other organization. For example, Google Drive, Amazon Cloud Drive, iCloud are the public cloud. In the opposite, private cloud. What do you mean by the public and private? Public is the for every person, but private is the for a particular. A private cloud consists of computing resource used exclusively by one business or an organization. In a private cloud, the service and infrastructure are always maintained on a private network, and the hardware and software are dedicated to a particular organization. Private cloud are often used by government agencies, financial institutions, and other mid to large size of organization like business critical operation seeking enhanced control over their environment. A private cloud are also known as the internal cloud, especially for a organization, and it is protected by the firewall of the system. This is the completion of the chapter. This chapter is completed. Read this chapter carefully. We will discuss the assignment of this chapter tomorrow.